Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve a problem related to stability. The problem is here a differential equation is given, and for this differential equation we have to find the impulse response. The impulse response means the response when the input is unit impulse signal. Here the input is ft and it is given as unit impulse signal. Now we have to plot the response in the MATLAB by using appropriate labels, and we can assume that all initial conditions are 0, and we have to determine if the system is stable or not. And we also have to give the reason behind stability. And finally, we have to plot the pole locations. Firstly, we'll take Laplace transform of the above differential equation, and we will assume that initial conditions are 0. After doing this, we'll get this equation in Laplace transform of this above equation. The Laplace transform of triple derivative of y, by doing Laplace and triple derivative of y, we'll get s cube ys, and by double derivative of y, we get s square ys, and single derivative we get s times ys, and from y we get only ys. And in the right hand side, the unit impulse signal, and by taking the Laplace transform of unit impulse signal is 1. So in the right hand side, we can see 1. Now, after simplification, we get this equation. We are taking common, y is taken common in this left hand side, and we'll get this equation. Here we can see that the given system is third order system. The denominator of the transfer function gives the equation, gives the characteristic equation, and the characteristic equation can be written as this. Now the roots of this cubic equation can be computed, which are given by this. This equation has two roots. One is -4 and the another one is -1, plus j root 2, another is -1 minus j root 2. That's so there are total 3 roots. These 2 roots are complex conjugate roots and one is a real root. We can see that all roots have negative real parts, right? All 3 roots have negative real parts. They lie in the left half S-plane. So we can say that the system is stable. Now we are going to plot the response. So to plot the response, this is the transfer function of the system. So in order to plot the see the response, we need to write this code as follows. In numerator, we can see that there is only 1, so I have written only 1 for den, s cube plus 6s square plus 11s plus 12, right? So you have to write the coefficient of all these terms. S cube, s square, the coefficient of s cube is 1, coefficient of s square is 6, and then s is 11, and the constant term is 12. For example, if one of the terms was missing, let's say we didn't have 11s term. So in that case, if we didn't have the term 11s, then in this place of 11, we have to write 0. So we will use this function impulse. When we use this function impulse, we get this impulse response plot. Now we are even asked to show the plot the location of poles, right? So to plot the location, we know the roots are -4 and -1 plus 0.2 and -1 minus 0.2. So the pole location are shown in this figure. We can see in the left hand side, the pole are marked by cross sign, blue colored cross sign. One is at -4 and the other two are complex conjugates, and which are shown here. Thank you.